Hey everyone, it's Lee, and today I'm going to show you how to clear or reset frequently used emojis on your iPhone. It's a quick and easy process, so let's dive right into it. First, let's open up the Safari on your iPhone and tap on the keyboard section. You'll see the frequently used emojis at the top here, followed by the regular emojis. Now, if you want to reset all those frequently used emojis, here's what you have to do. Go to your iPhone settings and scroll down until we get to General. Let's tap into General, and now in the General section let's tap on Keyboard. At the top, tap on Keyboard again and then select Delete to remove the emoji keyboard from your iPhone. Then tap Add New Keyboard and select Emoji to add it back. Alternatively, you can reset your entire keyboard dictionary by going back to General and scrolling all the way down to the bottom to reset. Tap on the reset and enter your password and select Reset Keyboard Dictionary. This will delete all your custom words and return the dictionary to its factory default, resetting all your frequently used emojis as well. And that's it. I hope this video was helpful, and if you have any questions, leave them in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more helpful tech tips and tutorials, and thanks for watching.